Every month, AI is a bigger line in your P&L. And every month, the invoice explaining it says less. So you ask. The answer comes back as 10 threads, 10 spreadsheets, 10 different numbers, weeks old, none agreeing, and none connecting the spend to what the company got for it. The fastest growing line in your P&L, and no one can explain it. Revenium connects to every AI provider and coding assistant in minutes. No installs, no code changes. And the scavenger hunt is over. Every dollar, one ledger. Now every vendor sits on one page. What you paid, beside what you got. In one unit, cost per million tokens. Seat plans, usage plans, different meters. Finally on the same axis. And when a renewal lands on your desk, this page is your negotiating position. You know what every vendor delivers per dollar. And now, so do they. Spend finally gets a denominator finance can use. Cost per feature shipped. By team, by developer. With the receipts underneath, down to cost per pull request merged. AI stops being a cost you absorb and becomes a unit cost you manage. And the question that started all this, can you explain this number? Now takes a click, not a committee. One team runs 3 times hotter than another. Open it, and the why is right there. Their model mix, their usage, what they shipped for it, side by side. Sometimes the expensive team is your best deal. Now you can prove it. Like this recent customer, with budget policies on and best practices shared, usage more than doubled while cost per million tokens fell 40%, and finance saw it the day it happened. Stop reconciling spreadsheets. Start knowing Revenium. See what your AI costs and prove what it's worth. Let's get started.